Thank you everyone for joining me this afternoon. My name is Todd Robinson. I am the Marketing Product Manager of Video Recorders at March Networks. I think it can be safely argued that this generation of smart devices, smartphones, smart tablets, have fundamentally changed the world in which we live. At the bare minimum, it's changed the world, or the methods in which my children communicate with me. But I think you can argue that in a corporate world, we've changed using these devices. They've replaced, to a certain extent, our laptops. They've become our primary means of communication, both with colleagues and customers. But the question we have to ask ourselves, or one of the questions is, have they become useful tools in the industry besides allowing us just to talk easier to our colleagues, easier to our peers, easier to our customers? March Networks has taken a different approach with our mobile application strategy. And that's what I'd like to talk with you about this afternoon, is how to use the power of your smartphone, how to use the power of your tablet to enhance the job you have to do on a daily basis. So back last year we launched Guru, which is a first of its kind smartphone application working with provisioning, replacing, and investigating issues with DVRs. So what exactly is March Networks Guru? Well, first of all, it's an industry-first smartphone application developed to help our certified partners save time and money in the field in real-world applications. It is a free download. There is no charge for using Guru. It's available on the Apple product lines as well as on the Android product lines. With Guru 2.0, we have completely redesigned the front end of the application that was introduced back in 2012. Our new user interface is much more intuitive, it has a much better flow to it, and it is workflow-based. The workflow-based troubleshooting helps to quickly resolve field issues. Exactly how can March Networks Guru help you? Well, there's a number of pieces of the puzzle. First of all, we have troubleshooting technology built into the application. You can scan a QR code on a box and get back warranty information on that box. When was it purchased? When does the warranty expire? You can make small configuration changes directly from the application itself. If required, you can submit a request for an RMA if there needs to be a field replacement on the box. The new application also supports documentation and software release notes. It has how-to videos built into the application. It has access to our planning tools for configuring your deployment to your environment, number of hours of storage required on the box, number of cameras, what the bandwidth of individual cameras will be. It allows PuTTY access, okay, so PuTTY is our SSH interface into the box, which will allow you to do provisioning. You can search for known issues in our known issues database, and in the mobile transit world, you can use it for mobile asset tracking purposes as well. Troubleshooting with March Networks Guru is one of the fundamental features that we offered in this release. And troubleshooting with March Networks is really a three-step process, but it's very, very simple. First of all, you go into the application for the appropriate product and you select troubleshooting. That then opens up a new window which allows you to go and select a series of potential faults that may be going wrong with the NVR. Whether there are hard drive issues, whether there's network connection issues. On each of those then you can start and you can drill down into a set of step-by-step steps to help you see if the situation is resolved. If it's not resolved, you can feel free to check the knowledge base directly from the Guru application, or you can submit a RMA request directly. On top of that, we also have our expert wizards for troubleshooting, or the symptoms filter or the LED filter. By matching the LED on the front of the recorder, what you can do is you can actually read in real time the status and health of the recorder and use those LEDs to display a number of potential issues. For example, if we see an indication of a green and a red, what we can do is we can go in and we can apply the LED filter and bring up exactly what that means on the box without having to access documentations, without having to download manuals. And the other thing you can use is the symptoms filter as well. The symptoms filter will allow you to actually go into the system and request from it a series of alerts or alarms that the box is notified and bring those up in real time. The new symptom filter takes the results or the alerts directly from the NVR to help isolate problems. Of course, you'll notice that we have the March Networks Wi-Fi adapter. That is a free gift that we provide to our field technicians as they become registered partners on our CSP platform. So you connect Guru via the dongle to the NVR. It's a point-to-point wireless connection that is isolated directly to that DVR and does not actually intrude into the corporate network. The Guru downloads that alerts, interprets them, and then determines possible faults and resolutions to those. The other thing you can do with the Guru application is what we call provisioning. So again, what we do is we insert the wireless dongle into the USB port of an 8000 series, you enter the NVR password, and then you scan the QR code on the front of the box. That will automatically create a point-to-point wireless connection between your smart device and the Guru application. Once you have that, then you can go in and you can start setting up your provisioning on the box. Whether that's something of setting an IP configuration, whether that's adding a CES enterprise management account and the password, or whether you want to go directly into the provisioning interface through PuTTY access and provision the box that way. All of that is possible from your smartphone or your tablet. Thank you. I appreciate you taking 15 minutes out of your day to come and sit with us and learn a little bit more about one of the small features that March Networks provides to give you a complete end-to-end solution.